Do you know how to tackle vectors geometry questions? ACD is a straight line such that AC is equal to a third of CD. So if that's 1, then that would be 3. Okay, that's quite difficult to decipher there. M is the midpoint of AB, that's fine. And then we've been given all these vectors, which I'm going to draw on. AC is A, so let's move that over there. AB is B. The vector CN is equal to K CB, where K is a scalar quantity. So basically just a smaller version of the whole CB, isn't it? Given that MND is a straight line, find the value of K. So let's draw that straight line as well. They won't give you information you don't need, so saying about this being a straight line, that's the key. This is the bit that you can recognize in your exam and follow the method. In this case, whichever one they referred to as a straight line, you want to find 2 vectors from that line. I normally find the whole thing, so let's say MD, and then a smaller one, either MN or ND. If AC is A, then CD must be 3A. The vector MD must be minus a half B, because we're going halfway along and the wrong direction, plus A and 3A, which is 4A. Now I'm going to do MN. For MN, I would work out CB first, and then CN is just a smaller version. We don't know what it is, but we can use K as a letter. Now we can find MN. Once you have these 2 vectors, expand and simplify anything you need to, write it in the order A plus B. So I've simplified them, I've factorized them to get all of the coefficient of A and all of the coefficient of B together. Now I need to compare coefficients between those 2. As you can see, MD is not the same as MN. One is smaller than the other, so we do need to bring in another scale. I'm just going to use X in this case. I'm going to create simultaneous equations, one equation for the A coefficients and one for the B. I normally put the X scale on the side that's easier. The reason why is because 4 is not literally equal to 1 minus K because they are not the same size. So I'm using X as a scale, but I don't actually need to know what it is. I just need to write it down. Do the same for the B. Now we have simultaneous equations. We want to solve them to find K. So effectively get rid of the X. First of all, we don't really care what that is, and find K. You might use elimination or substitution, it's up to you, and solve for K. In this case, they've asked for K, and we found out that K is 5/9. There's our answer. So CN is 5/9 the size of CB. If you found this helpful, make sure to check out the GCSE Maths Pro YouTube channel, where you can find full videos going through everything that we've just seen.